Hello, we're on lesson 142 for arithmetic. When you look at letter A, you see we have some missing factors. The numbers that are used in a multiplication sentence are called factors. The answer is called a product. So we're missing factors here and we're missing a factor here. So in order to find the missing factor, we could simply do the opposite of multiplying by 4 and do divided by 4 and do 32 divided by 4. But I want to go through the entire fact family with you. So we know that there's 2 multiplication sentences and 2 division sentences in each fact family. We know that 4 times something is going to be something times 4. And it's going to equal the same product as 32. And then when we divide, we begin with the larger number, just like when we subtract, we begin with the larger number. So this would be 32 divided by a number and 32 divided by a number. We know that one of those numbers is going to be 4. So 32 divided by 4. We could count by 4s because we know our 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. How many groups of 4 is that? 8 groups of 4. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. And then 32 divided by 8 equals 4. So which is the missing factor here? 8. So 8 times 4 equals 32. Same thing here. We could simply divide by 4 here and divide by 4 here. Let's do the entire fact family. We know we need 2 multiplication and 2 division, because multiplication and division are the opposites of each other. So a number times 4 is the same as 4 times a number, and it's going to equal the same product of 20. Then we take 20 and begin with 20 because 20 is the larger number when we divide. 20 divided by 4, and then we find the answer. We can count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. How many groups of 4 is that? 5 groups of 4. See how much easier it is because we know how to count by 4s rather quickly. We don't have to struggle. And then 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So what is the missing factor? 5 times 4 equals 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. Here we go again. We're still doing 4s. Let's go ahead and get the rest of our fact family ready. So 4 times a number is the same thing as a number times 4. It equals the same product of 36. 36 divided by 4, and then 36 divided by a number equals 4. We have to count by 4s to get to 36. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. How many groups of 4 is that? 9 groups of 4. 4 times 9 equals 36. 9 times 4 equals 36. 2 quarters equals how much money? 1 quarter equals 25 cents. 2 quarters equal 50 cents. 50 cents is written $0.50. Make sure to divide your dollars and your cents by a decimal point. Dollars, decimal point, cents. 5 dimes equal, well, 1 dime equals 10 cents, so 5 dimes equal 10 times 5, or 5 times 10, equals 50 cents. Still $0.50. 4 nickels equal 1 nickel equals 5 cents. So 4 nickels equals 5 times 4. 5 times 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 cents. 20 cents. $0.20. Now we can add them and find the total. If you have 2 quarters, 5 dimes, and 4 nickels, you have 0, 5, 10, 12. See how we wrote the 12? We put the 2 down there and we carried the 1. And 1 plus 0 equals 1. You put your decimal point, you put your dollar sign, and that equals $1.20. 5 dimes equals how much money? 50 cents. You know, 10 cents, that's 5 dimes times 10 cents equals 50 cents. 6 nickels. 6 nickels times 5 cents, because each nickel is 5 cents, equals 30 cents. 8 pennies. 8 pennies times 1 cent, because a penny is 1 cent, equals 8 cents. Now, this is not 8 cents. 8 cents would be 8 in the spot over here. And then it would be 0.08. That would be 8 cents. 0 plus 0 plus 8 equals 8. 5 plus 3 plus 0 equals 8. Decimal point, 0. And your dollar sign, it equals 88 cents. Part C, we're going to estimate our answers, which means we're going to round to the nearest 10. 23 is between 20 and 30. What's the halfway point between 20 and 30? 25. 23 is less, so we round to 20. 61 is between 60 and 70. What does it round to? 60. 20 plus 60 equals 80. That is an estimate. That is not the exact answer. The exact answer would be 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 2 plus 6 equals 8. So it would be 84. 84 is close to 80. 80 is close to 84. It is a good estimate. 14 plus 9. We find an estimate. We have to round to the nearest 10. 14 is between 10 and 20. What does 14 round to? 10. 9 is between 0 and 10. Which is 9 round to? 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 20 is not the exact answer. 20 is the estimated answer. Let's round to the nearest 10. 25 is between 20 and 30. 25 is the halfway point, so do we round up or round down? We round up. Anything 25 or higher rounds up to 30. 52 rounds to 50. 30 plus 50 equals 80. 80 is our estimated answer. Go ahead and do seat work for lesson 142.